Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. 21? 21. Oh my gosh. Almost there, guys. Oh, there's Kahila. Crochet with K. But today, I'm just going to be working on my second sleeve. I finished my first sleeve. I didn't show you guys yesterday, but I finished my first sleeve. Boom. Oh, the yarn is in front. Let's do this. Yes, I finished my first sleeve. Boom. So now I'm working on my second sleeve and I'm hoping to be finished with it tomorrow. I want to get like halfway through today and then tomorrow should be the last day I work on it. But right now I'm going to actually wind up. Where's my sock yarn bag? Oh, here it is. I'm going to wind up my sock yarn that I'll be starting this week. Boom. It is Teeny Buttons Glimmer Sock yarn. It is Christmas Tree Farm. I've shown you guys this yarn already. I'm so excited to try it. Also, put on some nails today. And I'm gonna get my Swift, get my winder, wind this bad boy up, and then I will continue knitting on my sweater because I need to.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho.
Just finished caking up this yarn. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. Oh, look at how it sparkles if you can see the stellina in it. But I am so excited to start on these socks. I'm not gonna start on it today because I need to continue working on my second sleeve. We're almost there, okay? One sleeve left. Literally just need to get halfway today and I will for sure be done tomorrow. So I'm going to work on that right now while staring at this yummy cake of yarn and thinking about how I'm gonna start my socks in just a couple days. And my hat. Which one should I start first? Should I start my socks first or my hat first? Maybe my socks, since this is like a Christmas sock. Who knows? Maybe if I like grind on this, I can finish it by Christmas? That's gonna be like 2 days. I don't know if I can finish a pair of socks in 2 days, but we'll see. A pair of socks. Oh gosh.
Jolly eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
Alrighty guys, it is Advent time. I didn't do much today. I just had such low energy today. Yesterday I was just tired. Today my energy is like, I've been knitting so slowly, but I have the goal to still knit half of the sleeve by tonight. So after I film this, that is what I will be doing. But here's the Advent. Day 21, I'll be doing it with my sisters again. Yesterday's color was white with some more pink and more yellow. A little bit of blue speckles, and we'll see what today is. I'm not gonna guess because I don't know what to guess. So, are you guys ready?
Get it. I'm ready. Remember closing your eyes. Yeah, open your own so fast. Hold on.
We tear it.
Close your eyes because I'm about to take mine out.
Okay. Ready?
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is pretty. Where did this purple
No, this is pretty, but
this
what the
pretty.
heck?
They could at least introduce a little purple in the last one.
Okay.
This is beautiful, though. Oh my God. I'm glad it's not like
It is a
white.
pretty color.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna end off on purple again. How many shades of purple do you need?
This will be a nice sweater. This is what the color looks like. Purple just popped out of nowhere. And is there any pink on here? Okay, the leftover pink is right there, a dot. There is still some yellow going through here, and it seems like a little bit of green shading. Like, the greens came back just a little bit. Let me show you yesterday's own so you can see how different this really looks. Okay, looking at it from here, it doesn't really look that different. I don't see any purples in here, but I feel like this is still the same color palette. But see how much purple is in here? I feel like there could have been like one more fade in between this before jumping straight to the purples, but they still do have some similar undertones, I guess you could say, like the yellows and the pinks, I guess, but there's only really one pink. But it still looks good. I really like this color. I would love to see it in a sweater quantity, but here they are side by side. That is all I have for today's video. I really like today's Advent colorway, like a lot. I would love to see it worked up as a sweater. Of course, I won't be able to because it's just like a 20-gram skein, which is totally fine. I'm excited to see tomorrow's colorway. Hopefully it stays on like that purple trajectory because that is cute. Even though we've had a lot of purple in here, we haven't had like the pastel-y type of purple, and I really like that kind of purple. Like the lavender, yeah, I like that kind of purple. That is all for this video. Wait, did I say that already? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already, because like, what are you waiting for? Let me know if you guys are done with your Christmas gifts, because Christmas is literally in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, okay? I know some people aren't done, but if you are making something for someone, what are you making and are you done with it? And do you like the gift that you're giving somebody? Because, you know, sometimes you can make the gift and be like, I don't really like that, but I will give it to them anyway, you know? Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye!